Jobber is built around automation that reduces missed jobs and late invoices, while Markate focuses more on simple scheduling and lower-cost field service management for smaller teams. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which one fits your business size, workflow and budget, without wasting time on features you don't need. Start with what each tool is actually trying to solve. Jobber is designed for service businesses that want to run most of their operations on autopilot. That includes quoting, scheduling, invoicing and customer follow-ups, all in one system. The idea is to reduce manual admin work so jobs move from quote to paid invoice with fewer steps. Markate is more focused on keeping things simple and lightweight. It covers core job scheduling, invoicing and customer management, but without pushing heavy automation or complex workflows. That makes it easier to learn, but less powerful if your business scales fast. Now, pricing logic matters more than pricing numbers here. Jobber typically sits in the higher cost tier of field service software, because you're paying for automation, integrations, and reporting tools. It's usually aimed at businesses that already have steady job volume and want to reduce admin time. Markate is positioned as a lower-cost alternative with fewer advanced features. That usually appeals to solo operators or small teams that don't need deep automation or detailed reporting yet. Next is scheduling and job management. Jobber gives you a more structured workflow where jobs can move through clear stages like quote, scheduled, in progress, and completed. That structure helps when multiple technicians are involved and jobs need tracking at scale. Markate keeps scheduling more straightforward. You can assign jobs and track them, but the workflow is less layered, which can feel faster for small teams, but limiting for larger operations. Now the customer experience side. Jobber includes more built-in customer communication tools like automated reminders and follow-ups, which helps reduce missed appointments and unpaid invoices. Markate covers the basics like customer records and job history, but relies more on manual communication. So here's the simple breakdown. Jobber is better if you want automation, scalability, and structured workflows that reduce manual work. Markate is better if you want a simpler system at a lower cost and don't need advanced automation yet. If you're choosing right now, match the tool to your volume of jobs. Low volume and simple workflow points to Markate. Growing business with multiple technicians points to Jobber. If this helped, subscribe for more direct comparisons that cut through marketing claims and show what these tools actually do in real business use.